Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our 390 big block Fender Emblem for the 68 and 69 Fairlane and Torino and the 68 through 70 Mercury cars. If your classic Ford has that big block 390 under the hood, you can let everyone know by installing our new 390 Fender emblems. Our emblems are high quality zinc die cast and chrome plated just like the Ford originals. They feature the original white 390 numbers with a red painted background surrounded by brilliant chrome finish that will add the perfect finishing touch to your restoration project. Our emblems come complete with the mounting hardware for a trouble-free installation. Officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company, these are exact replicas of the original parts, crafted to uphold Ford's quality standards and provide reliable durability for years. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.